Good morning, students. Dear student, we are doing the chapter center of gravity. So the numerical problem in this chapter is the question is find center of gravity of the T section. So the dimensions are 150 millimeter into 115 millimeter into 10 millimeter. So this is T section and this is 150 millimeter and this is 115 millimeter and thickness of the section is 10 millimeter. So first of all, we will see whether the section is symmetrical about any axis. So as shown in this figure, the section is symmetrical about y axis. So it means straightway we can determine x bar. So x bar is 150.275 millimeter. So the next part is we will find out what is the value of y bar. So we have divided the section into two parts. So this is first part and this is second part. So area of the first part. Area of the first part is 150 into 10 millimeter, 1500 square millimeter. And area of the second part A2 is 10 into 105. So this is 105 millimeter. 10 into 105 millimeter, 1050 square millimeter. So area of the whole figure is A1 plus A2. So this is 2550 square millimeter. So then X1, Y1. So X1 is 75 millimeter and Y1 is Y1 is 105 plus 10Y2. So this is Y1 up to this from. So these are the two reference axes, OA and OB. So with respect to these reference axes, we will determine x1, y1, x2, y2, etc. So these are the reference axes. So y1 is 105 plus 10y2, 110 millimeter, and x2 is 75 millimeter, and y2 is 105 upon 2. So this is y2. So this is y2 is 52.5 millimeter. So then x bar is A1 x1 plus A2 x2 upon A1 plus A2. So putting the values in this equation, so we can determine x bar, but already we have determined x bar, this is 75 millimeter. Then y bar. So y bar is A1 y1 plus A2 y2 upon A1 plus A2. So A1 is area of the first part 1500 into y1. So y1 is 110 plus A2. Area of the second part 1050 into y2. y2 is 52.5 upon A1 plus A2. So A1 plus A2 is 2550. So y bar, then the value of the y bar is 86.32 millimeter. So x bar is 75 millimeter and y bar is 86.32 millimeter. So x bar 75, so y bar 86.32. So near about. So this is our CG of the this T section. So this is x axis and this is y axis, and this value is x bar 75 millimeter and this is y bar. So y bar is 86.32 millimeter. So dear students, the second question is find centroid of the Z section. So the figure is as shown in this figure. This dimension is 10 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter. Again this thickness is 2 centimeter and this is 16 centimeter. So first of all we will draw the reference axis. So OA and AB are reference axis with respect to which we will determine the coordinates of the CG of the section. So it means the whole figure lies in the first quadrant. So next we will see whether the section is symmetrical about any axis. So as shown in this figure, the section is not symmetrical about any axis. So it means we have to find x bar, y bar separately. So divide the figure into convenient parts. So this is divided like this. This is our first part. This is second part, and this is third part. So the whole figure I have divided into 3 parts as shown in this figure. So then area of the various parts. So area of the first part A1, this is 10 into 2. So this is 10 into 2, so 20 square meter. So A2 area of the second part. So 2 into this dimension is 14. So this is 16 minus 2, this is 14 centimeter. So 2 into 14, 28 square millimeter, and third part. So 12 into 2. Area of the third part, 12 into 2, 24 square millimeter. So then area of the whole figure is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. So this comes out to be 72 square centimeter. So 20 plus 28 plus 24. So the area of the whole figure is 72 square millimeter. So then coordinates of the CG of the various parts. So let CG of the first part is G1. So G1. This is G1. G1 means CG of the first part. So its coordinate are x1, y1. So x1. So x1 is equal to 10.2, 5 centimeter. So then y1. So y1 is this distance is y1. So actually the coordinate y1 is determined with respect to reference axis OA, and the coordinate x1, x2, x3, etc. they are determined with respect to reference axis OB. So OA and OB are reference axis. Y1 is equal to 2. Actually this is y1. This distance. This is y1. So y1 is equal to 2 plus 14 plus 2 by 2. So this is equal to 17 centimeter. Y1. So then second figure. So its coordinate G2. Let G2 is the CG of the second part. So x2, y2. x2, y2. So x1, y1, G1. So 5 centimeter and x1 5 centimeter, y1 17 centimeter. So then G2, x2, y2. So x2 is, so this distance. So this distance is 10 minus 2. This distance is 10 minus 2, 8 plus 2 by 2 plus 2 by 2. So 9 centimeter. X2 and y2 is 2. So y2 is, so this is the length this is G2. So G2, this is X2. X2 is 8, 10 minus to 8. 8 plus 2y2. So this is X2. And Y2 is this distance. So this is 2 plus 14 by 2. So again this is 9 centimeter. So X2, Y2. So G2, X2, Y2 9 centimeter, Y2 9 centimeter. So then third part. So G3. So G3 is the CG of the third component, third part. So its coordinate are x3, y3. So its coordinate G3, x3, y3. So x3 is this distance. So this distance is 10 minus to 8. This distance is 8 centimeter plus 12 y2. So this is 14 centimeter. X3 and y3 is this distance. So this is 2 by 2, 1 centimeter. So G3. So G3 is, so this is G3, X3, Y3. X3 is 14 centimeter and Y3 is 1 centimeter. So then CG of the whole figure. So x bar, y bar. So x bar is equal to x3, y3. So x2, y2. Then x bar. So x bar is a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 upon a1 plus a2 plus a3. So a1 is 20 into x1. So x1 is 5 plus a2. a2 is 28 x2. x2 is 9 plus a3. So a3 is 24 x3 is 14 on a1 plus a2 plus a3. So this is 72. So x bar, the coordinate of x bar is, this comes out to be, the value x bar is 9.55. So by solving this, 9.55 centimeter. X bar is 9.55 centimeter. So then y bar. So y bar is a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 upon a1 plus a2 plus a3. So a1 is 20 plus into y1 is 17 plus a2 is 28 into y2. So y2 is 9 plus a3 is 24 into y3. So y3 is 1 centimeter upon a1 plus a2 a3 72. So the value of y bar, it comes to be 8.55 centimeter. So y bar is 8.55 centimeter. So then this is our so x bar 9.55 centimeter, y bar 8.55 centimeter. So this is near about 8.5. So this is the position of CG. This is the position of the center of gravity of the Z section. So this is x-axis, centroidal x-axis, and this is centroidal y-axis. So this value is x1 9.55 centimeter, and this value is y bar 8.55 centimeter. Thank you.